my name is Dana Johnson, and today I'd like to share with you something about Greek food, a recipe for a Greek salad. So here I have 6 ounces of some iceberg lettuce, I found some wonderful light Greek vinaigrette dressing, but if you don't have this or you can't find it in your supermarket, you can always just use some olive oil, red wine vinegar, and some oregano, and that's the basis for a Greek dressing. So I like to pour my dressing on my greens first. I don't like to saturate my toppings, as I like them to stand on their own merit. So I found this wonderful Greek goddess dressing, but if you can't find this, you probably have the ingredients in your home to make it yourself. You'll need some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, and some oregano to make your Greek dressing. Just give it a little toss. Make sure that it's all coated. Every bite will be just as good as the first and the last. Next, I'm going to add some cucumbers. I'm leaving the skin on because I like it. You don't have to, or you can maybe actually just peel off part of it. Also, traditional cheese for the Greek salad is feta. And then some Kalamata olives. These ones happen to be pre-purchased in a jar that have been soaked in a Cabernet wine. But any Kalamata olive will do. And there it is, a Greek salad. But it seems like I'd like to just add maybe a little bit of some citrus pepper. Just what it needed. And for those of you onion lovers, you may want to add a little bit of red onion as well.